they fit weird. I'm going to try and fix them for a party. First, I measured with not the correct ruler. You probably want to use a different one. The amount I wanted it taken down, and then I took it from the crotch. Then I pinned the front and back. Just remember that the back will be bigger than the front. Then I sewed it all together. Here's the stitching. I did it fast, so it's messed up. But this is what it looks like on. And I realized that the hips were too small now. So I cut, and I used scrap fabric from my previous robe that I did a really long time ago on the sides. And this is what that looks like. Not the best, but these were the results. Pretty well, I think. Anyways.
Time flies when you're